So what I did was actually quite simple. I made lines going downward, like snow falling down onto the earth. Very simple. It's just mimicking the movement of the snow. And these are made of, for the most part, major seventh chords, broken major seventh chords, and broken major ninth chords. And these create an atmosphere of peace, of being in one place. That the chords do not want to go anywhere. They're happy to be where they are, which is what happens when it snows. You stand still, you look around, and you're at peace, and you just observe the spectacle of the snowflakes falling down. And the other trick is that I just left out the bass notes for the most part, because when there's snow all around us, it creates a surface for the light to reflect off of. So it creates light. It makes the world lighter. So too many bass notes would feel out of place in this piece. And then the third trick is using just the practice pedal. The practice pedal, which makes the sound softer, and it's perfect for creating that sound of a snowflake falling down. And if you have a grand piano, you can use the una corda pedal. So that's the pedal on the left, which makes you play only one string at a time. It makes the sound a little bit thinner, and that can also be used to create that subtle, thin, sort of airy sound of snowflakes falling down. So that's basically what it is. It's really simple. All right. If you want to know more about these pieces, they're in the booklet, Wintery Scenes, and they're available on Mike'sPianobooks.com. Now, don't practice too hard. See you later.